The mayor had started living in the city. But on his first evening, he was deeply worried because after sunset, there was no visibility at all. The entire island plunged into darkness. He wondered how city life would work in such dark conditions. He thought about it hard and came up with a brilliant idea of setting up a power plant. This power plant would now generate and supply electrical energy to all parts of the city, and so the city would be lighted up. When there was no electricity in the city, city life was getting affected. Similarly, all cells require energy to function effectively. So what is providing the cells with this energy? Well, there is a special organelle present in the cells that convert the food we intake into simpler forms of energy known as ATP. So this organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Now the ATP that is generated, so now the ATP that is generated by this organelle is taken up by the cells to perform all the bodily activities. So ATP is the energy currency of the cell. So these organelles are present in both plant and animal cells. They closely resemble a groundnut. See, they closely resemble a groundnut, and they are known as mitochondria. Now let us see the structure of a mitochondria in a little more detail. From the picture, you can see that the mitochondria has a double membrane. It has a smooth and a continuous outer membrane, but a very folded inner membrane. See, the foldings closely resemble your fingers. See? So these finger-like projections that are present in the inner membrane of the mitochondria are known as cristae. So the finger-like projections that are present are known as cristae. So let me guess your daily activities. You wake up in the morning, you go to school, you study there, you come back home, you have your lunch, and you go off to play. So all these activities require a lot of energy, and this energy is being provided to you by the mitochondria that is present in your cells. So by now you know that all cells require energy, and the energy is provided to the cell by the mitochondria. Now tell me something, cells of which part of the body will have a greater number of mitochondria? Will your leg muscles have a more number of mitochondria? Or will the cells present in your ears have a more number of mitochondria? Well, the energy requirement is directly dependent on the amount of work done. Since the leg muscles are doing a lot more work, therefore it will require more energy, and so it will have a greater number of mitochondria than the cells that are present in your ears.